it's Heidi Gammill with Pretty. Welcome to Coffee Talk. So, how was your week of self-care and self-love? That's my question for you today, and I have a little bit of homework for you. And it's so easy, and anybody can do it. In the Pretty Lifestyle Guide, under chapter 5, talking about imaginations, it says peace and quiet are elusive necessities for those who want their imaginations to thrive. And it is so true. So one tool that I love to do is just to sit down with a magazine. And I usually will have a Sharpie in my hand while I'm at it. And I look at every page and I look for the details. And it really is just a slowing down. And especially I love decorating magazines and looking at not just what's for sale, but how they styled it. What are the details? What's the view out the window? How did they hang the curtains? Is there some little nugget that I can take away from this picture? And of course you can sit down with Pinterest and do that. However, I feel like anything electronic has the tendency to keep you from blinking, which is not as relaxing. So my homework for you is just to sit with a magazine and really look at it, immerse yourself in it, and use it as this kind of a springboard for your imagination. When I look at magazines like that, I usually find some type of inspiration that I usually can implement without spending any money. And so that is my challenge for you. And also it's a moment just to give yourself to sit down, to relax. Set a timer if you have a busy day and you're like, I don't have time for that. Just set a timer and do it. Because it's going to just slow you down and get your imagination going. If you haven't checked out the 14-day self-love challenge, the link is in the bio. So check it out. It's just 14 days of inspiration to remind you to take really good care of yourself. And also in the Facebook group, I did a 5-day self-care challenge. It's in the guide section. It's always there. So go check it out. And I'm just here to encourage you to take a moment. And an easy way to do that is just sit with magazine and let your imagination go wild. I hope you have a fantastic day.